Today's the first day of the new session, session 2. Door is fixed. I don't remember if I showed this. We got a door handle. Very cool. Shout out Dabor. Shout out. All my kids are motorboating right now. And I just swept the floor. It's a little messy in here. They've been living here for 2 weeks and it shows. And it's always hard when their clean clothes come because they're not all super great at putting their clothes away and folding them and making sure everything gets back where it needs to be. So there's kind of just clothes everywhere. There's clothes and things and stuff. But here goes the last session. The last session with this group of kids. Crazy. We got this. And today is the start of my day off. W's in the chat. Time to see Kira. She's so cute. Oh my god, the delay is crazy. They're so big. On our way home. On our way to say, Kira, Kira, Kira. Yo. Yo.
These are like the ones that they do like in Michigan, like over the lake.
They're so cool. They're so big.
Yeah, these
Yo,
are the
it
ones,
looks like a
these
flower.
are the ones I'm used to seeing.
What?
These are the ones I'm used to seeing.
Whoa! Yo! That was sick. Ooh. That was big. Last one, last one. Finale, maybe?
For sure.
Oh my god. Shout out telephone poles. Glittery ones are so cool.
Oh my god.
Yo. Yo. Way. That's gotta be the end, right?
Yeah.
That was awesome. Hey, road work begins Monday, 6/29. Didn't that already happen?
Yeah.
Oh.
Go.
And there's my little sweetie. If I sit, will she run to me? Bonk. Yeah. Little. Oh, you were coming. Yay, little. Little. Little rub. She's so cute. Okay, bye, I guess. Bye, I guess. First day, no, I guess. I was gonna say first day of session 2, but not really, because tomorrow's like the first full day. Everyone got here today. All the new kids got here. But I still have all my same kids. And the first half of the day, they did activities. Second half of the day, we just chilled in the cabin because I was so tired. And they should just rest. They need a little reset for the new session, and we cleaned a little bit. And we did the sing-off. And we lost to the girls this time because they have more people than us. We had more people than them last session, and now they have more people than us. Oh, only fair. And yeah. But we still have more kids than last session, this session. I think this is the biggest session that the camp has. Session 2. Little cutie patootie dogs. So freaking soft. I forget how soft she is all the time, every time. She's so soft. But that's it. I'm home. I'm home now for tonight and tomorrow. And then I drive back. Bruh. It's very weird missing the first day. The first full day of the session. Probably one of my least favorite days to have off. And hopefully they get a 10. They lock in with a 10 tomorrow. Hopefully we continue the trend. 2 sessions in a row, all 10s would go crazy. I would go sicko mode. Sicko mode for real. Little sweetie. She's so cute. Get her. Hi. Hi. Little sweetie, you're so cute. Okay, that's it.